Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial on the for loop in Golang. In this lesson, lesson 8, I will cover the basics of the for loop, including its syntax and how to use it to repeat a set of instructions in your code. Let's start. The for loop is the most common type of loop in Golang. It allows you to repeat a set of instructions until a specific condition is met. Here is the syntax of a for loop in Golang. We need to use the for keyword, then initialization, the condition, the post, open and close parentheses, and then the code to be executed. The initialization statement is executed before the loop starts. It's typically used to initialize one or more variables that will be used in the loop. The condition is a Boolean expression that is evaluated before each iteration of the loop. If the condition is true, the loop continues. If the condition is false, the loop ends. The post statement is executed after each iteration of the loop. It's typically used to update the values of the variables used in the loop. Let's write a real example. In this example, the for loop repeats the instructions inside the curly brace 10 times. The variable a is initialized to 0, and the loop continues until the variable is greater than or equal to 10. Let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go, run main.go. In the console, you can see the value from 0 to 9 produced by the loop. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I hope that you have better understanding how to use the for loop in Golang. In the next lesson, I will explain you how to use the infinite loop in Golang using also the break statement. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit the subscribe button and to stay updated with the latest content. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you in the next lesson.